Welcome to Trading HD, honest traders. Let's go. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. What an amazing chart we have right here. For those who follow the channel, you know this stock is a very interesting asset we mentioned in previous videos and we debated with you in the comments. We have MicroCloud HOLOGRAM Inc. chart here, the daily time frame. Remember, we are using the TradingView platform with the volumes, candles, and you can see the candlestick. I don't know how it is exactly called. Let me see it right there. Volume candles, yes. And the bigger the volume, the bigger the candle, and you can clearly see during the last week of December right here a very interesting movement and with a lot of volume. From there we entered into a very dramatic situation for HOLO Inc. You can see it right here. For HOLO stock, sorry. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 consecutive red candles in the daily time frame. Wow, did you expect something like this, guys? How were you trading it if you were inside this stock, or if you were just watching it? What is your opinion about this situation right there? And a bigger correction than other ones. You know, we had more than minus 80% if we take into account the highest price, if I'm not mistaken, 9 point something dollars, to the lowest point right here, 1.82. The interesting part is that today this stock is in the green territory, at least while we're recording the video. You can see right now more than 20% to the upper part, this last green candle. The thing is, will it continue or not? Will this be the end of this downtrend that we experienced right here? Could this be a correction, or do you think this was the start of a crash that could continue the previous downtrend that we saw in this stock in the past price action? I'm very interested in knowing your opinion. Remember, we don't have the truth here, we just state what we can see in the chart and give our honest opinion to start that debate with you in the comments below, to share all the possible information to help each others, you know, to have a better trading community around these types of stocks, because sometimes being a retail trader is difficult because you can't comment or see different ideas from other traders, and in this comment section you can leave your own thoughts about this stock, your own experience, and share it with other honest traders. This is a very interesting chart. We are just in the daily time frame. Let's go with the 1 hour time frame to see how is this last price action going. We can clearly see right here, let me draw very fast. I see like a kind of triangle pattern, we could say. Let me know in the comments if you see something similar, or you have a different technical analysis right there. And you can see like the breakout to the upper part has happened with a lot of strength. Look at the volume right there. The thing is, we also have this level right here, the 2.40 dollars area, and got rejected. You can see right there. If we go to the 15-minute chart, it got rejected just right there. So we have to wait and see if this breakout occurs or not. Another question for you: do you think this level could act as a resistance level or not? Let us know in the comments below. Also, going back to the 1 hour time frame, we can clearly see the price action during this uptrend was very interesting. You know, we had this breakout right here, and once the breakout occurred, it depends on how you drew the technical analysis. Remember, we are using automatic scale and logarithmic scale. From there the price started to drop very fast. We also had an upside movement right here. Let me draw it very fast. During the first days of January, in the second week, the 8th and the 9th, and you can see more than 40% to the upside, but from there the correction also occurred more than 40% to the lower side, and from that key moment at the 1.77 when this movement started, plus 35% to the upper part. So the key question right now: do you think this is a different situation to the previous ones? Do you think this is just like another movement to the upside as it happened in the past, or a different idea? I want to know your opinion. I want to know how do you see MicroCloud HOLOGRAM Inc., and share it in the comments below so we can all learn together. Let me show you another section that we have here in TradingView, because I think it's very interesting about this company. It is right here. If we go with the financials, I think it was, let me put it right there. Exactly, we have here the overview about the key facts, MicroCloud HOLOGRAM Inc., and all that. Let me put my camera out so you can see with more detail. You can see we have the market cap 46 $12.84 million. You have the basic EPS also right there, when it was founded, 2020. The employees, 46 right now, the name of the CEO, the website, and we have more information right here. MicroCloud HOLOGRAM Inc. engages in research, development, and application of holographic technology. It operates through the holographic solutions and holographic technology service segments. The company was founded, as we saw, in 2020 and is headquartered in New York. Wow, very interesting. They have to do, obviously, you can see the word hologram, holographic, and all that a lot in the description. We are not experts in that sector, and we don't know exactly which products they offer or develop. We just look at the chart from the price action perspective, and we like to see those past movements with a lot of volatility. And there are opportunities there, but also a lot of risk. The thing is, for instance, let's see that very fast. You can clearly see the chart. Let me go to the daily time frame. Wow, this has been a very dangerous environment. If you take into account, since it started trading, you can see volatility has been insane. We are talking about moves to the upper part right here, more than 600%. Remember, we are taking into account the different stock splits that already occurred in the price. So this price is different. It could be way lower. And then we had movements to the lower side, very dramatic, more than minus 98%. So the thing is, yeah, of course you had upsides in this stock, but also downtrend. So the thing is to be prepared for all the possible scenarios as usual. And how do you see the current situation? Do you think this was like the bottom of the stock? It hit bottom here and it started to go higher, and this is just like a correction for it in order to continue going higher? Or do you think like this past downtrend hasn't ended yet and it will continue going lower and making even new lows? How do you see HOLO stock? Very interesting stock, for instance, and we like to share it with you here and to see all your comments and ideas about it. Let's go again with that section right there. We have the ownership, free float shares, more than 99%, very interesting. Total of 20 million shares, more or less. Then you can see right there the capital structure. We can talk about it in another video if you enjoy this section also. We have the valuation, the growth and profitability. You can see in the annual and semi-annual chart, revenue to profit conversion. So a lot of data right here that could be interesting to talk about in another video if you are interested in knowing more details. The revenue breakdown is very interesting. The 100% according to this data is in China, at least for 2023. And then we have the business or source, the source business of this revenue. 66.42% holographic technology service and 33.58% holographic solutions. I don't know the difference between holographic technology service and holographic solutions, but if you are an expert in this sector or you know more about this company, please share it in the comments below so we can all learn together about it. And going back to the chart, if you enjoyed that section, let us know in the comments so we can go deeper in following videos about that and comment it with you, of course. When we share this type of stocks, we don't know exactly what could happen, of course. If you know it, let us know in the comments below. We just want to share, like what is going on, our honest opinion about the past price action in these stocks. Comment, the volatility, all the news, all the information that we can share with you, and we try to create that kind of forum. Or yeah, let me put the camera, I forgot about it. So we want to create that type of forum or debates in the comment section. Remember to comment with respect. You can have different opinions. The important thing is to learn and to experience. In trading there are multiple experiences as in life, and sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but the thing is to keep improving every day, and with every trade in this case. For this key question, let us know in the comments below if you think this could be like a continuance of this movement to the upper part that started at the end of the last year, or if you think like this could be the continuance of the previous downtrend that started very long ago in this stock, or a different idea. Of course, in trading everything is possible, and you can share that in the comments below also. All the opinions are welcome as long as they are honest opinions. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend. Take care. We love you. Bye bye.